All right, here we are, you guys. We're gonna go across that lovely and talented pedestrian bridge over here. Saw the picture there, what it is. So we're gonna go across. Kind of a cool little trail, regional park. It's gonna go across it real quick. Not gonna go way in the park, but I talked to those three young ladies, and they said it goes a long ways. So goes across 694. I had to put another battery in, so I charged it in between I love the drug test. Now I gotta go tomorrow, but it's like stupid idiots have all the information. Be nice, but now they do. They send me a text after the fact. It's like, but incompetency goes a long ways. So this off 694. And before 35W at E, and then after 35W. Kind of cool little park. Looks like it goes a long way. So I've seen it. Man, I wonder where it was over here. It's kind of a weird, only one parking spot on this side. So it's in Shoreview, so it looks like you can come up here, up to here. Up from down there, they probably have people come up here. So Grass Lake must be. It looks like it goes all over the place. You can kind of see Shoreview bike and hike. Yeah, pedestrian bridge. We'll go across it. I figured it went a long ways. So, what the hell? Let's go walk across it and head home, shall we? So it looks like locals can come up from down there. Probably goes down there. And they get on over there. Come on up. Looks like a pretty Mr. Popularity. Let me see, it was built 1997. So 1997 this bridge was built. So it looks like, yeah, people can walk up here. You can walk down below there and come on over. You get off on Victoria Street, and then take your left by the railroad tracks and follow the railroad tracks down here. And you get down the bottom of the hill there, you'll see it. So, Snail Lake Regional Park, pedestrian bridge. So I don't know if there's snails in there or not. Who knows? Get you across. Yeah. You can tell that water when it comes up over here. I could have walked down here and walked up the tracks up there too as well. Avoiding me climbing up there, but that would have been. Looks like you can go down there too as well. Walk down there. Cruise on down there. See, I could have walked down here and then, but it was easier to do that. Like you don't have it fenced off, but yeah, I don't know. We only did a little bit. So what would Caitlin Clark say to you? Clark say to you? We're not doing the whole thing. So probably come on the way back. So anyways, get the idea where it takes you down here. And how far it goes. You can probably bike down here, so let's head back up, head back to the vehicle. You kind of get the idea how expansive it is. I think it goes probably all the way back over there. It's just another classic regional park that we have here in the great state of Minnesota. So I've always wanted to take care of these 3 bridges and see what they look like. I had the time to do it, so kind of always drive by them all the time. I kind of get over here and see what the hell that goes to. I figured that this bridge went somewhere. You don't unless you go, right? So yeah, you can cruise on down there, walk down there, and check all that stuff out down there. Cruise on down there. Those trees took a shot. 694 is pretty busy. We'll head back and get on Highway 100. Head on back, so. Yep. Snail Lake Regional Park, huh? See. Yeah, so it looks like people from over there can get on over there and walk up around under the bridge and get on. No trains today, you guys. I thought we'd see one, but I don't have a scanner radio. You can listen to those and you can hear what trains are coming. You know, are coming from where. So a lot of them run in the morning anyway, so do that kind of behavior. But no. And this will be out in probably February of 2025. We do have the sports show coming up next week. Did want to go to the expo. Let's Play Hockey Expo, but that was yesterday and today. Didn't have time. Been pretty fun to go to. That's a pretty big thing for hockey people. They love the expo. Like-minded people go there, so. But yep, lots of fun getting out. Ramsey County. But yeah, it's too bad we didn't see any trains today. No critters. Didn't find any money. Thank God we didn't find any dead bodies. I'm gonna take one of these home with me. The old these are kind of cool. So I think they probably drill these things in, so anyways. All right, guys. This adventure is in the books. And we'll talk next one. It'll probably be the sports show. We'll see, get that done. So anyways, guys, see you on the next one, man. Yahoo! I did not have sexual relations with that woman, Miss Lewinsky. Yahoo! See ya.